Hey there, Python enthusiasts! Welcome back to the 100 Days of Python series. Today is day 9, and we're continuing our journey with functions. In this video, we'll cover function scope and global variables, default and keyword arguments, and Lambda functions along with the map, filter, and reduce functions. Ready to level up your function game? Let's get started. Let's start with understanding function scope and global variables. Scope refers to the region of the code where a variable is accessible. Here's an example. In this example, x is a global variable and accessible both inside and outside the function, while y is a local variable, accessible only within the function. Attempting to print y outside the function will result in an error. You can modify a global variable inside a function using the global keyword. By using global x, we can change the value of x globally from within the function. Now, let's talk about default arguments and keyword arguments. These make your functions more flexible and easier to use. Here's an example of a function with default arguments. In this example, the message parameter has a default value of hello. If you don't provide a value for message, it defaults to hello. You can also use keyword arguments to specify parameters by name. This way, you can provide arguments in any order, making your function calls more readable. Finally, let's explore Lambda functions and the map, filter, and reduce functions. Lambda functions are small anonymous functions defined with the Lambda keyword. Here's an example of a Lambda function. Lambda functions are often used with higher-order functions like map, filter, and reduce. Here's how you can use map to apply a function to a list. Use reduce to apply a function cumulatively to the items of a sequence. These functions can make your code more concise and readable when dealing with collections of data. And there you have it, folks, a deeper dive into functions with scope, global variables, default and keyword arguments, and the power of Lambda functions along with map, filter, and reduce. Keep practicing these concepts, and you'll be writing efficient and elegant Python code in no time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more awesome Python content. See you tomorrow for day 10. Keep coding.